Greetings, vibrant souls! Has there ever been a moment when approaching the vegetable drawer felt like a chore rather than a joyous reunion with nutritious delights? Fret not, for the journey to a healthier lifestyle doesn't have to be dreary. Today, we unveil an array of delightful hacks that will transform any kitchen space from a snack graveyard to a paradise brimming with nourishing treats. Brace yourselves, because a culinary revolution is about to unfold right before your very eyes. Point 1. Kitchen transformation: a canvas of color. The initial step towards embarking on a vibrant culinary journey involves transforming the kitchen into a canvas of color. Imagine a kitchen reverberating with hues of fresh and wholesome foods that beckon invitingly every time the fridge door swings open. A well-stocked fridge, boasting a variety of nutrient-packed goodies, can serve as a visual and gustatory delight, encouraging one to whip up meals that are both pleasing to the eyes and the palate. Point 2. The art of presentation: the kitchen stage. After stocking up on colorful ingredients, the focus shifts to the art of presentation. A welcoming kitchen exudes cleanliness and organization, where every item has its designated place, ready to assist in the creation of culinary masterpieces. A tidy kitchen functions as a blank canvas, urging one to add strokes of creativity and flair to each home-cooked meal. A tidy kitchen functions as a blank canvas, urging one to add strokes of creativity and flair to each home-cooked meal. Point 3. Fruits: the star of the show. The stage is now set for the true stars of the show to make their appearance: fruits. Their vibrant colors and sweet flavors beckon from prominent displays, enticing one to grab a healthy snack on the go. A bowl of fruit on the counter serves as an inviting centerpiece, luring one towards a nutritious, quick snack. Point 4. The smoothie revolution: salad in disguise. Though salads might not be everyone's favorite, the world of smoothies offers a delightful alternative. Here, vegetables cleverly disguise themselves amongst a burst of fruity sweetness, delivering a flavor-packed meal that is both enjoyable and nourishing. It's a masquerade ball hosted right in the blender, promising a delightful and healthy treat. Point 5. Pasta: the vegetable masquerade. In the spirit of disguises, let's delve into the universe of pasta sauces. These sauces, teeming with hidden vegetables, serve as nutritious undercover agents, sneaking in a dose of health into every indulgent bite. This creative culinary technique allows one to enjoy a creamy, luxurious sauce while reaping the benefits of a vegetable-packed meal. Point 6. Soup: the floating salad. For those who prefer a comforting bowl of warmth, soups present a wonderful solution. A harmonious concoction where vegetables unite to create a dance of flavors and nutrients, offering comfort and nourishment in a delightful embrace. It's a floating salad that wraps you in a warm, comforting hug. Point 7. Curries: the great vegetable fiesta. Lastly, we venture into the grand carnival of curries, where a plethora of colors and flavors unite to create an exhilarating culinary spectacle. A delightful array of vegetables immerse themselves in a spicy, tangy melody, promising a festival of flavors in every bite. So gear up and embrace these hacks, setting forth on a culinary voyage that promises not only health but a kaleidoscope of colors, flavors, and pure joy. Remember, healthy eating isn't a task, but a vibrant celebration of life. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video useful, and for more empowering and enriching content, make sure to subscribe.